5 minutes I can sort it. Yeah, okay then. Yeah, no worries.
My drill, mate, please. Yeah, here's my drill.
Fuck off, man.
I think that's all.
Sure?
Yeah.
I'm speaking, right? Now, right, he's also refused, right, he's issued an order without jurisdiction, right, that says, right, that the bailiffs can come and take possession of this house at any time without any notice, right? Now, you cannot do that. There's no law in the land to support that. In order for county court to issue a warrant of possession, they have to give notice.
That says 7 a.m. on the 18th.
Yeah.
And that is opposition on the 15th.
Yeah, but this is, what is this? Notice of a plan for appointment to the bailiff on the 18th of April, 7 a.m. on the 18th of April. Where's the notice? Where was that served? Here. Where's that served? It hasn't been served. They claim they don't have to serve it. They have to serve it.
Mr. Boo.
Well, he says that he just said that hey, right. That guy there, Gress, he just said, right, that they didn't need issue notice. They don't have to issue notice. They do have to issue notice.
Mr. Boo, right, listen, we're going around in circles.
No, you're not going around in circles. You've got an obligate. You got a duty. You got a duty to follow the law, yeah. And the law hasn't been followed, yeah. You need to tell these people to leave. You need to tell these people to leave.
This paperwork quite clearly says what my powers are, and that is to use reasonable force to evict anybody.
Right, where's the notice? Where's the notice?
What notice?
They have to serve notice to the property. No, they need to serve it to the property, and they ain't done that. That's an internal document. They didn't serve anyone here notice that they was coming today.
Okay.
Right? And therefore it's unlawful. It's not okay. It's not okay. You need to do something about it.
Yeah.
You need to do something about it. And if you're not sure about it, you need to get onto your supervisors and find out what the law is. Or your legal team. No, you can't go by face value. The law can be verified. The law can be verified, so you need to check with your superiors to see what the position is, whether they have to serve notice or not, right? And also the other point you need to check, right, is if a judicial review is outstanding,
well, right, you show me some paperwork to that effect.
At 7 o'clock in the morning, we can't even get into the court, can we?
We're not talking about the court, we're talking about your legal team.
They won't be at work at 7 o'clock in the morning either, unfortunately.
Well, it's too bad that you have to wait. They should have come out at the normal time. They're not even allowed to come at 7 o'clock.
Listen, we are here to just ensure there's no breach of the peace, okay? What action is being carried out by the court staff is nothing to do with it.
No, if it's unlawful, it is. If it's unlawful, it is.
Why is it unlawful? Well,
I'm explaining to you why it's unlawful.
There's been no notice.
They're acting within the ring of their law and remit.
Yeah, but they're not. They're not.
I'm acting lawfully.
We've checked their paperwork and it means that they are doing so.
Yeah, they're telling you, and I'm telling you.
No, they're
so
showing me. That's the difference.
There's my shoulder. There's my judicial review.
Yeah, but it's a form that's not even been signed.
It's a judicial review.
It's a claim
This is
form.
a copy. That's why. It's a copy. It's an application to
Yeah, it's an application.
Yes, that's right.
But it's not even been. But it's not.
Because it
even
takes
been-
time.
But
You send it off, and then they've got to send it.
It's not even accepted in the High Court, has it?
Listen, we've got a right to see all the paperwork that you've got. If she's showing you the paperwork and it concerns this property, it shows you it concerns the property. My name is irrelevant. My name is irrelevant. My name is irrelevant. I don't wish to give my name at this stage.
You're nothing to do with this particular house.
You're putting words. You're putting words. You're putting words. It has got something to do with me.
So let's respect somebody else's privacy.
It's got nothing to do with you.
Well, Mr. Ferguson, I understand why he's here because he's named on the paperwork.
You don't understand a lot, I don't think. You understand. You understand what you want to understand.
I understand what I want. Go ahead.
I got them mashing at the door.
You did. Come on.
Going up, huh? No, I'm not moving out of the way.
I linked at that.
You're not allowed to touch me. You're not allowed to touch me.
You're trespassing.
You're not allowed to